In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, professional page for things like an About section, a size guide, or a shipping policy, all using Shopify's built-in tools. Start from your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, open Online Store. This is where the content and appearance of your storefront live. Think of it as the home base for everything customers read outside of your products and collections. Next, go to Pages. Pages are perfect for evergreen information that doesn't belong to a product, a blog, or a collection. If you're setting up your brand story, FAQs, or customer service details, this is the right place. You'll see a list of any pages you already have. If your store is new, this list may be empty, and that's totally fine. Now click Add Page. You'll land on a blank editor screen. This is where you'll put in the essentials your customers will see. Start by typing the title. Keep it short, clear, and descriptive. Something like About Us, Shipping Information, or Contact. A straightforward title helps customers understand what they'll find on the page, and it keeps your store's navigation easy to scan. Avoid long phrases or special characters that might look messy in headings. Then, type your content. Use the rich text editor to write your text and format it so it's easy to read. Break ideas into short paragraphs. Add headings to section your content, and use bold or italics sparingly for emphasis. If it helps, include links to relevant parts of your site, like a returns policy from a shipping page. You can also insert images or embed media if it supports what you're explaining. Aim for clarity and skimmability. Customers often scan for key details, so make important information stand out with subheadings and concise sentences. If you paste from another document, give it a quick pass to clean up any odd spacing or formatting. When you're happy with the title and content, click Save. Saving creates the page in your store so you can share its link or reference it from other parts of your site. If you spot anything you'd like to improve, you can return to the Pages section anytime, update the content, and save again. It's normal to refine your wording after you read it on the page. That's it. You opened Online Store, went into Pages, added a new page, wrote a clear title and content, and saved your work. You now have a polished Shopify page ready to support your customers and your brand.